tree needs strong roots and a building needs a solid foundation to rise high and stay strong. In the same way, a person needs good educational foundation in their childhood to become successful when he or she grows up. Look at any great person. You will find that the seeds of his or her greatness were sown when they were kids. To be successful, one needs to have knowledge. Knowledge comes with education. Education begins with learning the language. To master a language, you need to master the alphabets. Mastery comes from a lot of practice. For practice, you need a device, and that device is Aksharabhyas. In the very early days, people used to write on sand to learn the letters. Later, it transformed into the slate that we know today. Mankind has now entered the digital age. Postcards and letters are replaced by emails. Landline phones are replaced by mobile phones. But the slate remained the same for hundreds of years because of its inability to adapt to the changing world. The slate has become an outdated device. Mr. Nalla Mallareddy, an educationalist, took up the challenge of modernizing the slate. After going through a lot of trials and tribulations, he came up with an excellent device, Aksharabhyas, the alphabet learner. It is a new age device which can accelerate and simplify the learning process.
Majority of the students right from high schools to postgraduates obtaining marks and degrees but lacking ability to write and read properly. What is use of constructing a building without foundation? It crumbles any day. Language is the base of education. Alphabet is the base of language. Without letters of alphabet, there is no language. At the stage of learning letters itself, the day one of joining in the school at pre-primary level itself, in 3 years, nursery, LKG, UKG itself, proper foundation should be laid. To lay proper foundation for perfecting reading and writing of letters of alphabet, we have prepared slates with letters in groups in regional, national, international languages and multiplication tables. They are different from present slates. Practice makes perfect. We all know that practice is the only way for perfection. Letters in the groups of slates can be traced with pencil by children by reading and writing and reading hundreds and thousands of times. Children get perfection in writing the letters, storing them in their brains, and gets habituated to write speedily and beautifully. In computer language, letters get stored in the hard disk and the printer prints speedily and beautifully. This lays strong foundation in reading and writing of letters perfectly in the children. It is unbreakable, non-soaking, durable, less expensive and paperless. No felling of trees for paper. When foundation is laid in reading and writing of letters of alphabets, one can read books easily. After perfecting the letters, to read and do exercises, a book by name, Punadi Pustakam, Bunyadi Kitab, foundation book in 3 languages, Telugu, Hindi and English, with basic worldly knowledge, and one copywriting book in 3 languages to practice writing on paper with pencil, with 6 slates, with letters in grooves. Aksharabhyas kit is unveiled.
Using Aksharabhyas to learn, to read and write is a smart way. It used to take 1 year for me to teach alphabets to kids previously. After arrival of Aksharabhyas, now they are learning English, Hindi, Telugu and tables very easily. It saves a lot of time for the teacher. It makes learning easier for the student. And the parents are also very happy with the device.
After using Aksharabhyas, my daughter is now more interested in studies. We are no longer worried about her homework.
Aksharabhyas ensures all-round development of the children. Aksharabhyas makes them responsible citizens of the nation.
Not only the children, grown-ups and uneducated elders can also learn easily.